I want you to try something for a moment. Think about how many online accounts you have. Most people say 10, maybe 15 at the most. But when I sit down with families, it's usually not 10. It's closer to 50, sometimes over 100. And that surprises almost everyone. Hi, I'm Gloria from Digital Care Services Australia. I help individuals and families organise their digital lives so everything is clear, secure, and easy to manage when it matters most. And today, I want to show you just how quickly your digital life adds up. I was sitting with a client last week and we started with a simple question. How many accounts do you think you have? They said maybe 20. So we started listing them out. First, obvious ones: bank accounts, emails, social media. Then we kept going. Subscriptions, shopping, apps on their phone, and then old accounts started coming up. An old email they hadn't used in years, a subscription they forgot about, an app they downloaded once and never opened again. By the end, we nearly had over 70 accounts, and they were genuinely shocked. And this is what happens for almost everyone. Not because you've done anything wrong, but because your digital life just builds up over time. So where do these accounts all come from? Every time you sign up for something, download an app, buy something online, create a login, you create another account. And most of the time, you don't even think about it. Now let's break it down. You might have 2 or 3 email accounts. I have 4. 5 to 10 financial accounts. 10 subscriptions, or maybe 20. Some apps on your phone, shopping accounts, government services, and suddenly you're not at 10 accounts anymore. You're at 50, 80, even more. Now, having accounts isn't the problem. The problem is no clear system, no list, no structure, no simple way for someone else to step in. So when something happens, families are left trying to figure it all out. And this is the part you don't think about. It's not about the accounts. It's about accessing that important information, finding the documents, recovering memories, all during a time that might be very difficult. So if you've never actually listed out your accounts before, you're not alone. Most people haven't. That's exactly why I created a free digital asset checklist. It helps you go through everything step by step, so you can see exactly what you have and start getting organized. You can download it using the link in the description below. And if you found this helpful, make sure you subscribe. I'll be sharing simple, practical ways to help you and your family stay organized and protected.